2022 TRD Pro Toyota 4Runner. It's all-wheel drive. We're gonna install steppers today. So would you get it from Amazon?
Yeah.
We got it from Amazon, and so far what we know, they don't make this kit yet, but I think it still fits. If you look under 2021 application, those steppers do fit. So I don't see any difference. What we gonna do? We're gonna take 1, 2, 3, 4. If you follow along there, another set of bolts over there. They're 12 millimeter bolts. So we're gonna take those out, and we're gonna install steppers. Alright, so like I said, there's 12 millimeter bolts. Take that out. So on the front they only have one, so a total of 5 12 millimeter bolts. We'll take it off, we'll add a bigger washer, so we'll have a bigger surface, bigger grabbing surface, and we'll apply anti-seize in case down the road he wants to sell his truck without steppers. It'll be easier for him to take it off. Okay, we'll apply anti-seize, a little bit of it. And we added washer, so like I said, we'll have a longer grabbing surface, or bigger grabbing surface. Alright, so you're gonna need 2 people to do this. So one can hold on to it while you're aligning the bolts, or you can use a floor jack if you're the only one doing it. Okay, so the stepper is held by just one bolt. I just wanted to show you guys. If you have 2 people, it will make your life easier, but if you're just working by yourself, use a floor jack to help you. Use a middle bracket and a bolt. Just hand tight the bolt, so that way you can go front, back, whatever adjustment you need. And so far it's held by one bolt, and I'm gonna start installing more bolts, and we'll torque them down. Okay, so we installed it, and this is what the final product looks like. And